welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be an unboxing hair review. For the first time, I made my first big girl hair purchase, and it was from Ming's Snob Life hair company. So let's open it. So before I actually open the hair, currently she's having a sale. It's called the Leave Him on Red sale, which is basically about being single on Valentine's Day. The sale started February 7th and it doesn't end until February 21st. So hurry and get your bundles, get your wigs, and I think everything is on sale. So hair, wigs, merch. She has lip glosses, lipsticks, eyelashes. Just go check out our website. I'll leave it on the screen, but it's www.snoblife.com. So in the packaging, I received this. And this is just a thank you card. Here's a product exchanges slip. So if you receive the wrong thing, or maybe you decided to change your mind, you can send this in with your whatever you purchase. So I actually purchased the full lace HD wig, which is glueless, and it comes in the shade of natural black, and it's body wave, and I was able to obtain the 18-inch length. So here it is in its packaging. And it also has it on the bag. Oh shoot. But of course, it comes in its netting. It comes with some tissue paper inside. And what I'm loving already, it has a band. So as an avid wig wearer, I've been doing this since 2015. My favorite part about wigs now are the elastic bands. Sometimes when it doesn't have an elastic band or I don't add one in, I get a little ghetto, I get a little ratchet, and I add bobby pins to secure the wig. If you didn't know that, now you know. To secure your wig, if you don't have an elastic band or you don't have the band to sew in, try bobby pins. They work really well. Only thing with bobby pins, that friction against your hair, whether it's on your edges or your nape of your hair, you have to be careful because it will start like a pre-alopecia. You will start balding if you do it more than occasionally. Inside you have 3 combs. One on the left, one on the right, and one on the back, which would actually be the nape of your hair. And underneath that nape comb, this back comb right here, you have adjustable straps. Here and here. And what these straps do, if you look inside, you can actually hook these straps into different holes. The job of the adjustable strap is for you to be able to adjust how tight or how loose you want your wig to be. And of course, because this is a full lace wig, there is lace all around the wig. All around the wig. having that glueless lace wig, here's the back of the hair. If I wanted to put my hair in a ponytail, I'm able to because of this lace all around it. And that's the point, that's the purpose of the nape comb, to actually secure underneath my nape so that you can't see braids or a wig cap underneath my wig, and so, you know, etc. I really absolutely hate how long I waited to purchase from Snob Life Hair Company. I will include snippets of her sale and you will understand why you want to buy from her. She is the marketing queen. I actually found her because of YouTube many years ago, and I've been supporting her ever since. This is actually one of her earlier merch shirts, and yeah, so everything will be listed in the description box. Please continue watching because I will include clippings and snippets of her marketing campaign for this. Ming is a self-made black woman entrepreneur hailing from Detroit, Michigan, who now resides in Atlanta, Georgia. It is Black History Month. Please go support your girl. Please support her and her company as well as other black entrepreneurs. And I hope to see you guys next time. See ya!
Last night, you never responded back. If you didn't want me to have your number, then why did you give it to me? That was kind of like dumb as hell. You seem like you one of these little young, dumb-minded broads. You got your little rinky-dink minimum wage job at Marshall's, and you think you the bomb and ain't even a firecracker wearing wigs like you some 90-year-old lady with no hair. I mean, I thought you had a nice face and body, but beyond that, there's so many chicks in San Diego with that, and I got plenty of them, so I'm not about to be chasing you around. I mean, unless you're mentally retarded or something, normally when somebody calls or texts you that you gave your number, you respond back. So I guess you too retarded to realize that. So I'm going to just go ahead and delete your number.